Does the thought of numbers dancing around in a cosmic ballet of patterns and predictions make your heart race? Welcome into the realm of data science and machine learning. Hi, I am Subhashini, and I hope you enjoy this video. In this intriguing world, one of the star performers is correlation. Picture this. Correlation is like a secret whisper, a clandestine code linking disparate elements in our sea of data. Imagine a vast spreadsheet filled with data about daily exercise habits and health indicators. Correlation is the secret agent that uncovers connections between these, such as the amount of exercise and the level of overall health. You might find that as exercise time increases, blood pressure decreases, revealing a positive correlation. Now, one might question, how does one decipher this secret code? How does one calculate correlation? Fear not, it's less complicated than it appears. The magic spell is Pearson's correlation coefficient. The Pearson's formula churns out a number between -1 and +1 and works best for large data sets. The sign in front of the correlation coefficient indicates the direction of movement and not the strength of the relationship. A positive number means of a positive correlation, where both the variables move together. When one goes up, the second variable also goes up. While a negative number signals a negative movement, when one variable increases, the second variable decreases. Unraveling correlations in data can lead to revelations that empower smarter decisions. Imagine being able to predict the ebb and flow of stock markets by examining the correlation between different stocks, or peering into the mysteries of consumer behavior by analyzing the correlation between advertising spend and sales. So, the next time you find yourself lost in a sea of data, remember to seek out for correlation. This secret agent is your key to uncovering hidden patterns, unlocking insights, and charting a course towards a future powered by data science and machine learning. And thus, we conclude our video for today. But remember, the universe of data is vast and unending, filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered. So, gear up, brave explorer, because the journey is far from over. Unlock the power of data and step into tomorrow today.